Hey guys, today the project that we're going to be doing is on a 2008 Toyota Corolla. We already did the brakes on this one car, but now today we're going to do something a little different. It's the shift lever cable, and what happens is there's a little plastic piece that goes attached to the cable, and it snaps in to where the little lever is on the transmission lever. So what happens is when that piece of plastic goes bad, the cable just pops off. So then you lose complete control. You can't put it in neutral, you can't put it in park, reverse, anything. So it kind of freaks you out a little bit, especially if you're out there in the middle of nowhere. But I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that today, and it's no big deal. And it's gonna be in that car right there behind me, okay? It's a 2008 Toyota Corolla. So this seat car here, and here I've already removed most of the stuff, the covers and the panel and everything. And you just need basic tools like I'm showing you right here. And then I'm going to also show you where the actual cable is. Okay, so let me show you the culprit, and it's right here. Okay, that's the shift cable right there. I kind of rigged it a little bit, and what I did was just so I could get the car around until I was waiting for the part to come in. So this is the piece right here, the plastic piece. I just put a piece of plastic tubing, and then I kind of put this little piece of wire around it just to secure it. The part itself is this part right here. If you can see it, it's in the bag right now, but that's the part there, okay? I'm gonna take it out and show it to you guys a little bit better. And you can get this on eBay. It's about $8 to $12 depending upon where you get it, okay? And again, it is on eBay, easily accessible. Okay, so this is the part itself, okay? And you can tell it's just a little plastic tube, and then it's got got a ridge around it. And it's a harder plastic than what I put in there, because I just put in there just a piece of tube, all right? So the next thing we're gonna show you is how to put that on there, and it's really easy. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this off. Hope you guys can see that. I'll get a screwdriver. And as I said, I'm just gonna pop this thing off right here. You guys can see it just comes right out. And it's kind of hard for me because I'm kind of holding the camera and doing this at the same time. So basically that's it. Okay, this is the piece that I put in there, and it's just a makeshift piece of tube. That's all. All right, that's out, and that's it right there. Everything that I made similar. Okay, so now we have exposed the shift lever, the metal piece right there, and this is the shifter cable. Alright, so it's very stiff, very hard to move around. So I'm going to put that to the bottom, and then I'm going to put on the other piece now that I ordered and came in from eBay. So now I've got the piece here. Let the camera focus on that. That's it right there. And I'm going to put that into there. Okay? So I'm just gonna, sorry I'm blocking the view here, but it's just kind of hard to put it in there. See if you guys can see it a little bit better. It's almost in. So I'm gonna finish popping that in there. Okay, actually guys, I did it wrong. Sorry to mislead you. You first have to pop it into here, okay? And then you're going to push it onto this lever right here, okay? And I'm sorry if my camera is jumbling around it a bit. It's just very uncomfortable. All right, so with your thumb, push it in, and basically that's it. You're all done. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the rest of it on. And that's probably the hardest part, is putting all these covers back on. All right? They do have, and I'll show you the screws that go in them. There's 4 screws at the front, and then 2 in the very back, okay? So I'll show you as I put them on. Okay, so I got the cover in place, and when you put it in, you're gonna have to angle it up, put it over this way, and then down. And make sure your emergency lever is up, so that'll go into the slot right here. there's going to be two cables you're going to connect. They're right here. Okay. One of these cables is for the cigarette lighter that's at the front. Okay. And then cigarette lighter accessory. And then the other one is here. And this is for the rear cigarette lighter. That is back there where I'm showing you. Okay, that corner. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect up these two wires, okay, and make sure you go underneath this like plastic bridge that's here, okay. So we're going to get that connected up, and then we're going to slip the wires down in there. Okay, I've got those connected. That's the ones that go back here. Okay, and it's a white connector. You can see right there where it's connected. And then you're going to have another set of plugs that comes out, okay? And these this plug right here connects into the cover that goes over the top. And you're just going to slip it over this like that. It pops into place, and that's going to go connected back here. Right? That's where your other connector goes. It's there. And of course, it's for the cigarette lighter in the front. All right. So I'm going to connect that up, and then I'm going to show you how to pop that in there. All right. That's connected in. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to slip this over the top. And if you look here, there's two tabs. One here, one over here. Those just slip in, okay, and they're going to go down. But before we do that, we're going to put the screws on, and I'll show you where the screws go. There's one that goes here, here, and back here. Oh, I'm sorry, my mistake. One goes here, the other one goes here, and then one here. On this side, okay? That's 4 screws you're going to put in. And then there's 2 in the back, and I'll show you where those are. So I'm putting the last screw in. Okay, so that's it. So again, one here, one on this side, one right there on top, and then the other one on this side. Alright, so 4 screws. Now we're going to put that cover on, and that cover goes on pretty easy. It's just going to slip right over the handle there. I'm sorry, I didn't show you guys that. It's kind of looking the other way. So this is the cover here. It's already got the connector on it. So we're going to put it right over the top. And as I said, you're going to put these 2 tabs in. Go down. Those 2 tabs in, and then this just presses down. Okay? And you have your cover on. So the only other 2 things we're going to do is right in there, there's 2 bolts, and one goes on one side, one on the other, and then there's a cover that goes over that, and that's that cover right there, and we're going to put that on. So finished product. There you go. Everything looks good. I'm just going to get in this real quick, and let's give it a shot and see if everything works. Hey, we're in reverse. It works. Alright. And in drive. You can tell the car is moving. Alright. So basically that's it, guys. Okay, nothing to go crazy about. It's a very easy fix. It's just a matter of taking your time. And this bottom piece right here, this whole section, just remember, it comes, once you remove those screws, it comes out like this at an angle, and then you just go right over the top here and take it out. But you're not going to be able to remove this until you remove those wires that are all hooked up there. Okay, so that's it, guys. All set. Easy fix. Guys, I want to thank you for watching, and again, another fix on a Toyota Corolla. Alright, as I do more and more projects, I'm going to put these on videos so you guys can have some tech tips on how to get these things going. Okay, alright, thanks again for watching. Cool.